Welcome. Today in front of me BLACKVIEW BV6600E, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So let's first press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that you'll see here the bell icon. Just click twice on this bell icons and now our calls and notifications will be muted, and this means that now we just successfully activate the silent mode on our device. If you want to turn it off by the same way, just press up or down volume button and then just click only once on this bell icon, and now we can see here the message that our calls and notifications they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.